Homemade Turmeric Face Pack for glowing skin. Honey Face Mask for all skin types. Honey and Turmeric Face Pack. Honey is an excellent antibacterial ingredient. Honey to spoon. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it keeps the skin moisturized and hydrated. Honey helps soothe inflammation and skin irritation. It has antibacterial properties, which makes it great for treating acne-prone skin. Honey can help soothe and heal pimples. Glycerine 1 spoon. It can increase skin hydration, relieve dryness, and refresh the skin surface. It's also an emollient, which means it can soften skin. Glycerin can help moisturize and protect the skin. Glycerin is an all-natural ingredient which works wonders for your face and skin. Pinch of turmeric. This ingredient can be used for skin brightening, to vanish dark circles, to treat acne, and also to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Mix well. Turmeric supports skin health to reduce breakouts and contains anti-inflammatory properties to improve skin tone. Turmeric works as a skin lightening agent for your skin. The skin brightening agents can brighten the skin and reduce. Turmeric and honey mask for acne and dark spots. Honey is also an antioxidant that helps in reducing uneven skin tone. In combination with turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties, the paste helps tackle acne and spots. Is an all-natural ingredient which works wonders for your face and skin. Honey and Turmeric Face Pack. Honey is an excellent antibacterial ingredient. This property helps in keeping your skin clear. This facial mask is specially formulated with turmeric and other skin-loving botanicals. Turmeric and its bioactive component, curcumin, moisturize the facial skin to make it smooth, soft, and fresh. Mix everything together and apply on the face. Leave it to dry for 15–20 minutes before rinsing. Rinsing if off with warm water. Repeat twice a week for a naturally glowing skin.